Hello and welcome back to another video by Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to tell you about how to successfully use Facebook and affiliate marketing to earn a lot of money. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's get started. First of all, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I suggest you go watch one of our earlier videos. We talk about affiliate marketing in plenty of our videos, and I believe they will be very helpful to you if the subject is still a little uncertain for you, but we'll go over it real quick just so that we have it fresh in our memory. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's product and earning a commission on it. So if we sell someone else's product, we are gonna make money on that product as well. Now, the first thing we need to do is to sign up to an affiliate marketplace. Once we sign up to an affiliate marketplace, we'll be able to sell their products. So for example, Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketplace that you could sign up to that has a lot of very popular products and products from very good brands that a lot of people like a lot. So it's a very good start. It's not the most profitable one. You don't earn as much as in others, but it's a very good affiliate marketplace, and I suggest that you sign up to it. Now, once you log into this affiliate marketplace, you'll be able to see many products that you're going to be able to promote. So make sure that you take a look at all the products that they have and make sure that you pick the right products for you and the right products for the people that you are selling them to. So for example, this little cart right here is very interesting to me. This is something I could sell, for example, so I'm gonna get the link. Once I have the link, I can take that link, and especially if we have a shortened link, those are always better. We can take this link and we can take it to social media and share it in social media. In this case, we're talking about Facebook, and we're gonna share it on Facebook. Why Facebook? Because Facebook has a lot of traffic per day. A lot of people are on Facebook, and the age of the people that are on Facebook, which is an older generation, it's people in between 35 and 55, is definitely a generation that has more disposable income in a certain way. So it's definitely a good place to be selling. So we see here we have another USB card that this page tips and reviews is selling. As we can see, that link is very similar to the link that we have on the page, and if you click on it, it sends you to Amazon. So tips and reviews would make money every time someone would click on that link and buy that card. Now, how can we further make this better? We can do it through Facebook ads. Facebook ads are very important because they help us reach more people. They help us get in front of people's eyes, and so that people that are interested in, for example, that SD card can go and see it, and then when they see it, they can click on it and buy it, and then we make money and Amazon make money that way, and the person who wanted that product will get that product. So it's a win-win for everybody. Make sure that when you do a Facebook ad, you follow all of these steps necessary. Make sure that you read the information carefully, because it's very important information that's going to help you reach more people, and not only reach more people, turn the people that you reach into sales. For example, if we are selling men's clothing, we're not going to select women on the audience. If we are selling something that more likely men would buy, we wouldn't select women. If we would do something that women would buy, we wouldn't select men, right? So make sure that the people that you are selling it to match the product that you're selling. Also make sure you are picking locations where people will actually buy that product. So don't sell, for example, snow coats to Mexico, right? That would be probably not the best. Also, you wouldn't want to sell toys to adults, so make sure that the age fits as well too. Make sure that you add some of those tags that will help you find the people that actually are interested in what you're selling. Make sure that you read that information well and you do that correctly, because if you do that correctly, you'll reach the right people and make more sales. Now, let's go to another point that I want to share with you, which is sign up to as many marketplaces as you can. If you sign up to as many marketplaces as you can, you'll be able to have a wider pool of products that you can select from, and you can select better products at better prices, either physical or digital, but whatever you pick is going to be better because you have a wider selection, right? So make sure that you sign up to other pages like ShareASell, which has very good brands and very well-known brands. Make sure you sign up to pages like ClickBank, which also has great products. Sign up to as many marketplaces as you can. You have Best Buy. You can think outside of digital, you can think physical as well. You also have stores like Sears that you could sign up to and start doing affiliate marketing for them. Also sign up to the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a private community of people building online businesses through affiliate marketing. The club is designed to connect affiliates with businesses and business owners and course creators so that they both can increase their income, affiliate marketers and the course creators and business owners, right? So you can help them sell more and they can help you sell more, and you can all earn more money. So make sure to join, make sure to check it out, make sure to register for the free masterclass. It's by Andy Isom, who's made over $45,000 last year posting on social media without his own product and with very few followers. Make sure to check out the masterclass, learn from his mistakes and successes, right? So that you don't have to go through the same things and you can start earning sooner. So make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. If you liked our video, make sure to give us a like. We would be very appreciative of you doing so, because we're constantly uploading new videos about making money online for you week by week, and we hope that these are helpful for you. So if you like them, please subscribe, let us know, and we are gonna be bringing more videos to you and trying to help you make money in these tough times. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you again.